Welcome. Today we will take the next to last step in learning this sugya. We will learn the second version of Rava's teirutz. First, let's quickly review the kushya. It is difficult to say that the mafkid sells his zchuyot to the nifkad if the zchuyot are davar shelo ba la'olam, and we have an accepted rule: ein adam makneh davar shelo ba la'olam. Now the Gemara will introduce another version of Rava's answer. It does so using the expression ikad amri. This is how the Gemara usually tells us that there is another version. In our sugya, this means that there is an authority who had a different understanding of Rava's teirutz. Ikad amri, there are those who say another version of Rava's teirutz. Amar Rava, Rava says, na'aseh ke'omer, we make it as if the mafkid says to the nifkad, L'kesheti ganev u'teratzeh u'teshalameni, when it will be stolen and you will choose to pay me, samuch l'ganevata kinu yalach, you are koneh from close to shat ganeva. Let us understand this teirutz. Like in the first version of Rava's answer, in this version, it is still that the nifkad doesn't buy zchuyot, a davar shelo ba la'olam. Rather, through a mechira al tanai, a conditional sale, the nifkad buys the actual cow, which does indeed exist. However, the kinyan does not take place at shat mesirah. Rather, it takes place later, right before the geneva. So, let's look at our mechira al tanai. The object is still the actual pikadon, so we don't have the davar shelo ba la'olam issue. The Tanaim are still, one, that the animal is stolen, and two, the nifkad chooses to pay rather than swear. However, the effective time of the sale is now samuch l'ganeva, right before the pikadon is stolen. Now that we understand the mechira al tanai, we still need to explain, if the sale takes place samuch l'ganeva, what is the method of acquisition, the ma'aseh kinyan? So, as we learned in the Hakdama, the presence of the object on the property of the koneh is a legitimate ma'aseh kinyan called kinyan chatzer. Now, since according to the second version of Rava's teirutz, the kinyan takes place samuch l'geneva, the nifkad cannot rely on meshicha as the ma'aseh kinyan. Meshicha takes place at shat mesirah. Instead, he would need to utilize a ma'aseh kinyan that can take place samuch l'geneva. Kinyan chatzer is such a ma'aseh kinyan. So like the first version of Rava's answer, our reality has changed and the nifkad is koneh the actual animal, not just the zchuyot. He just does so samuch l'ganeva, instead of at shat mesirah. So let's review. We adjust our understanding of the Mishnah. Really, it's as if the mafkid and the nifkad agree to a conditional sale of a davar sheba'olam, the actual pikadon. The chayfetz is the animal, not the zchuyot. The conditions are that the pikadon must be stolen and the nifkad chooses to pay rather than swear. The transaction takes place samuch l'geneva, and kinyan chatzer is the ma'aseh kinyan. It was a pleasure learning with you today. Let's do it again soon.